So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys can see this lovely suitcase here. It is another pack with me video. I love filming these and I love walking. If you guys don't know, I am going to California for about 5 days. I'm already fully vaccinated. I have gotten my 3 doses and I'll be wearing my mask majority of the time and everything. So playing it as safe. I just wanted to film a pack with me in video for you guys. And yeah, started. I'm gonna put some Jonas on my TV and blast, not all blast, but play that while I get packing. So let's go. So as you guys can see, I made progress here. I have all my outfits laid out on where I want to wear it and things like that. So now I'm gonna put it into the suitcase. So first we're gonna, well, this is plain, so we don't need to pack that. So then our next day we're gonna be, after the plane, next day we're gonna be in the Wondershare studio tour, but I'm not sure what I have is gonna be too warm. I'm gonna pack a different shirt just in case. I might wear this, a different one. But I have this really cute oversized denim shirt that I want to wear. I thought it was going to be so cute for California with pictures. So, I'm going to pack that. The leggings I was going to wear are crop leggings because my friend said it's still going to be warm. So we got some leggings. And then underwear. I like to try and pack everything together. So it's like underwear, bra, of course. And then that is my first outfit. So this is my toiletry bag for the trip. As you can see. So we got, everything. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm bringing. And, you know, 2 makeup brushes. Then I have a toothbrush holder. I have my toothbrush. I got deodorant, toothpaste. I got an eyelash curler, a lip product. I think I'm gonna pack another one. Eyeshadow, mascara, dry shampoo, 2 hair ties. Here is my conditioner, which I'm actually gonna put my soap with it. My shampoo. So we got my conditioner and shampoo. And then we got my soap in this container. So that is that. We got this bag. So I'll show you guys already what I have in it. I have Lysol wipes, which I'm gonna put my other one into. I got Lysol wipes, 4-quart USB hub because I wasn't sure if I needed it or not. So I thought it'd be good. Then in here, I'm actually gonna put my stomach fans for the plane. I'm not gonna put Dramamine in yet because I need to crush it up into a little thing, so that's gonna stay on the side. Okay, so I have allergy pills, Flonase for my allergies and sinuses. I have ibuprofen and stomach medicine, which I'm probably gonna put in a different thing. My little medicine case of things. I know I'll have to, I'll put something else in here, but for now, this is gonna have to do. For the concert, just in case. Probably might not use it, but I'd rather be safe and get kicked out of the venue. So hey guys, so I just wanted to show you guys my little tech bag. I just had this cute bag and I just put a bunch of my chargers in here. It's your portable charger that I do need to charge before I go. So first and foremost, the thing we got is a portable charger. I just haven't labeled. I'll only bring one because they work for this. They're the same brand, so I only need to bring one of them. Then we got my Kindle plug, which I'm bringing this just in case, even though it does last about 2 weeks without being charged, and if I don't use it that often. Fitbit charger. Hopefully I am somehow manifested Apple Watch while I'm there, or somehow I manifested coming before, but in case I'm gonna bring my Fitbit instead, so I can track my steps. Then I have some regular headphones for, I guess, if they have on the plane I want to plug in. Always good to pack normal headphones. Then I got an extra portable charger, which I literally was looking around the house for like 20 minutes trying to find this, and I finally did. So this is one of my favorite ones. 2-camera battery, which I do need to charge. We got another micro SD card for vlogging, and then an extra outlet plug, which I always have like a little pink sticker so I know it's fine. So that's what I'm gonna put in my little tech bag, because you honestly never know what you will need for when you're going for tech-wise these days. So I try to pack as much tech things that I know I'm gonna need on the trip. We'll have all my techie needs for the trip, which we're actually gonna put in the bag because that is a necessity. I already have another portable charger that is fully charged and a little plug. I'm gonna bring another wire just in case. I think that's really everything. I do have to put a few more little things here and there. I'm still debating on what type of pocketbook I want to bring on the plane and with me, but I think I'm pretty much set and ready to go, which is crazy that this time next week I'll be already in California. We'll be already doing things like traveling around with Bridget and stuff, and I am literally so excited. I think I'm really all set to go, and I'm excited. I'm packed, I'm ready. One less thing to stress about. So yeah, so I'm gonna take a thumbnail now, and then hopefully I'll have this vlog up, this packing video up before on Saturday when I leave, so you guys can watch it. And then when I come back, I'll have tons of videos. I'll take a thumbnail, even though I'm not crazy about what I'm wearing right now, but. And then I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the day, because I'm pretty much ready to travel. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you guys are looking forward to California vlogs and travel vlogs. I'm so excited to actually have travel vlogs coming your guys' way, because I'm excited for that. And it's gonna be fun. So let's go, and I'll see you guys when I'm in California. So see you guys when we go to the airport next week, because that will be your next video. Peace, guys.